Let's learn some English usages based on the term habits. First one, get into the habit. Get into the habit means to begin to do something regularly. So as an example, let's get into the habit of posting creative content. Second one is old habits die hard. Old habits die hard means it's difficult to change things that you have been doing for a long time. As an example, it was hard to give up sweets and biscuits. Old habits die hard. Third one is creature of habit. It means someone who does the same thing in the same way. As an example, I am such a creature of habit when it comes to my morning routine. Fourth one is break the habit. And definitely break the habit means to stop doing something that is a habit. As an example, try to get him to break the habit of excessive thinking or overthinking. So I hope these usages helped, and for more such informational content, stay tuned.
Neethus Academy, India's #1 language academy.